Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach how to blur the object using Figma. So here I am going to create a new design. So here I am going to make the uh, blurring option. So sometime if you want to show your product type as a blur effect. So how to do this? That is very important stuff. So let's do the frame. It's a frame. This frame, I'm going to put it to this one. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to change the color, something like right. Now I'm going to again you have to get the rectangle and draw it like that. This rectangle I'm going to filter. I'm going to change this color. Text I'm going to write it here as register. Click on that. Color you have changed like that. Click select this one and select this object, and you have to write align center. Okay, so you click on that. Just click on this object. You have to align center. Vertical center. You have to do those things. Now what you're going to see here, I'm going to blur these options. So this blur something else. So that I have to keep another one. Sorry. Order shift key down, select both. We have to move top at the top. Again I'm going to get the copy, hold on your alt key down and take. Now I'm going to blur this one. So what you have to blur, you have to get the another frame like this. Simple, you have to get the frame. This frame I'm going to get the effect. Some shadows, you have to write a background blur. It's background blur. This is a background blur. This option. This option we go here. We can't see the what is the what is our backside. Okay, only the that one. Now you can simply go to make the opacity 10%. Here, fill color 10%. Now you can see it's a blur effect. Now this blur effect, if you want to, if you feel to increase this one, simply you can increase this blur effect. Click on that. Okay. Click on that blur effect. This is 4. You can increase by which you need. Here it's great, but here it's increasing. Whatever you need. If you increment, it's going to increase. This is how you have to make the simple blur effect in your things. Okay. So this one should be gradient here. It is here another option is progressive. The progressive means you can do the blur effect. Here you can see here it is blur, here it's not blur, like effect. Here it is blurring, here it's not blurring. It is like a gradient effects. The gradient blur. This is called as a gradient blur. Here this effect, here it's blur, here it's not blur. So this feature is available in the Figma. Very simple. Here that at the below that object, change it as a blur. At taboo, it's keep as it is. If you want, you can blur. Okay. If here this is the cursor. This cursor you can bring up little bit. The object is little bit. It has been blurred here. If it is go below, it is not blurred. This go little by little up. It object is going little by little. It's blurry. This is simple features. It's added into the Figma. It's very simple. So you have to make this one. It is very good things to grow your business, grow your Figma knowledge. Thank you for watching.